Hello everyone, my name is Jermaine Brewer and I'm back at you with another video today. And today we are going to focus on the email preference and the unsubscribe link. So in Marketing Cloud Growth here, I'm on a nurture campaign. This is just some dummy data, dummy campaign here in my dev org. But what I wanted to point out is one, anytime you send out an email from Marketing Cloud Growth or Advanced, you will need to have a link to your unsubscribe page or your email preference page. So here, when we go into our campaign, we already have a sample template that Salesforce has set up for us. So one nice thing about when you first create a campaign, if you choose a single email campaign, then it will automatically populate a template for you, which is nice because it'll have a header and a footer and like an image as you see here to have some dummy text. So if you're just sending a plain, simple marketing email, you can probably just get away with just modifying this template without having to start from scratch. But one of the really nice things about it is down here in the footer, if you notice, it automatically formats your organization address, which you definitely need also, your preference page, and your unsubscribe link. So, and you see it puts it in a pretty good format here, and it's pretty nice. You didn't have to do anything. But let's say when you start a campaign, you choose a blank email and you want to start from scratch, or you built your own email and you want to bring that in. So we can come in here and we can select the drop down here and we'll say replace with new. All right, so that's going to take us in the content builder here. All right, and you notice we're starting from new. So let's just say we built out an email. I'll just pretend like we got some images and text and stuff like that because I don't want to have to add that in this video because I want to keep it short and simple. But let's say we do want to have our footer. So in the footer here, we can just say we got a paragraph section. This is going to be our footer, right? So let's say we do want to add that unsubscribe or that preference. So I could just say click here to update your email preferences. Right. So we're pretending like this is going to be our footer. This is going to be the link. So what I need to do is I'll highlight the text that I want to hyperlink. And it doesn't matter. You can hyperlink the whole sentence if you want to. You can just hyperlink the word here. You can hyperlink the word email preferences. So it's up to you. What do you want to hyperlink? But it does need to be hyperlinked. And then we go to our hyperlink symbol, which is right here. And then it already put in the link text for you. So normally you don't want to change this, but it's up to you. And then far as the URL is where you add the merge field. Now here's where things get a little tricky because there is also two unsubscribed links and two preferences. So if you go to other, you're going to notice you have unsubscribe and email preference. But then when you go to link, you also have unsubscribe and preference manager. So this was a little confusing initially, but now I know which link to choose. So you actually choose the link. So don't choose other here. You choose link, you add your preference manager, and you see how it puts the merge field in here for you. So it's link dot preference center URL. This is the correct one. If you use the other one, it's going to cause problems. I know I tried to send a test email to myself and I never received the test email. But when I took out that other preference page and I only had the link one in here, it actually worked fine and I got the test. And I also confirmed with Salesforce support that this is the correct one you need. So once we do that, if you wanted to open it up in a new tab, if someone want to update their preference center after you send them this email, you can, or you don't have to. And then you just select done. And there we go. Now my email preferences wording is hyperlinked and I've added the appropriate merge field. So hope you like this video and stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel because there will be more videos coming out that could potentially help you here in Marketing Cloud Growth or Advanced. Thank you.